Hello and welcome to Waiver Consulting Group. This video outlines how to become a home modification services provider in Nevada, enhancing accessibility and safety through customized home modifications. These vital services are authorized under Nevada's Medicaid Home and Community-Based Services waivers, including the aged and disabled, traumatic brain injury, intellectual and developmental disabilities, physical disabilities, and home and community-based services waivers. The Nevada Department of Health and Human Services administers funding, with the Aging and Disability Services Division, a DSD, overseeing quality and compliance, and Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services providing federal oversight. To become a provider, apply through the Nevada Medicaid Provider Enrollment Portal. Submit required documentation like contractor licenses, insurance certificates, and policy manuals, and undergo a program readiness review by Department of Health and Human Services, DHHS, for approval and Medicaid enrollment. Waiver Consulting Group offers comprehensive support to help you launch compliant home modification services across Nevada. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started.